G'day, it's Chriso. Back 25, 26, 27 years ago, it was always done like this in Australia. Everything was daubed with two-part rubber glue and no walls were waterproofed. So now, you know, there's new rules in now that walls get waterproofed, but this is how it was, or say 25 years and back ago, 25 years ago. And things are slowly changing. But, you know, like this was good glue in its time, but it was so expensive. And, you know, back in the day when I was a fool and I employed a lot of tilers, you know, and you rock up on the job and they're having a glue fight, you know, waste of glue. It was so expensive then, the two-part rubber. But now it's all cement base, modified, all the polymers in the glue now that it's not so expensive. You know, when you're paying between $20 and $35 a bag for good glue, it's a lot different than the two-part rubber. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.